researched the best circular saws available online, evaluating power, accuracy, durability, and ease of use. Our best overall pick, the Skillsaw SPT67WL01 circular saw, is lightweight, has precision beveling adjustment, and is powered by a reliable 15-amp motor. Let's start with my favorite circular saw, and then we'll proceed into the explanations. Number 1. DeWalt 6-1/2-inch 20 volts max circular saw. If you are new to woodworking in general or circular saws in particular, then you want a solid, reliable tool that isn't too difficult to use and isn't too expensive. Luckily, the DeWalt DCS391B fits the bill. This cordless circular saw runs off a 20-volt battery. Note that you will need to purchase that separately if you don't already own one, and has a 6-1/2-inch blade. Its top speed is 5,150 revolutions per minute, and it has a maximum cutting depth of 2 1/8 inches at 90 degrees. It can bevel up to 50 degrees for angled cuts, and when at a 45-degree angle, you'll still have a cutting depth of 1 5/8 inches. The molded handle of the saw is comfortable and secure within your grip, making it easier to keep your cuts straight and true. The blade is oriented to provide the best possible line of vision while you work, further helping you to stay accurate. And should there be a problem, the saw has a brake that immediately stops the blade when you release the trigger. Pros: magnesium construction for durability, powerful motor, accurate adjustments of cutting depth. Cons: somewhat expensive. Number 2. Genesis GCS 445 SE 4.0 amp 4-1/2 compact circular saw. Not every sawing job calls for the maximum in size and muscle. A compact circular saw has many advantages over the standard size. It's easier to maneuver a compact saw in a tight space, and typically, these saws are lighter in weight, making them easier on your hands when working for extended periods. The Genesis GCS 445 SE compact circular saw is one of the most versatile compact saws available today. With a 4.0 amp motor rated for up to 3,500 revolutions per minute, it packs a powerful punch in a body that is half the weight of many larger circular saws. It's just 4.7 pounds. Plus, it's designed for one-handed use. But the features don't stop there. For messy projects, this saw has a built-in dust port and vacuum adapter to keep the cutting area free of debris. The included tungsten carbide-tipped blade is strong enough to cut through any 2x wooden board as well as similar materials, whether cutting straight, rip, or bevel. To use other kinds of blades, all you have to do is remove the existing blade and pop in the other. Pros: one-handed use, 45-degree bevel, adapter for use with shop vacuums. Cons: a few complaints of inaccuracy. Number 3. Makita COVALENTS1H02R1 12 volts max CXT lithium-ion cordless. While corded circular saws undeniably win for the most power, there are times that portability is key. For those times, you'll appreciate that not only does the Makita SH02R1 cut the cord, drawing power instead from the included 12-volt lithium-ion battery, but it still maintains a very impressive amount of power, delivering 1,500 revolutions per minute to slice quickly through plywood, MDF, pegboard, drywall, melamine, particle board, and other lightweight materials. The saw itself weighs only 3.5 pounds, so it won't weigh you down on the job site. The 3 3/8 inch blade has a maximum cutting depth of 1 inch at 90 degrees, and 5/8 inch at 45 degrees. A tilting base lets you make bevel cuts from 0 to 45 degrees. You get 2 batteries, a charger, and a sturdy plastic carrying case that lets you easily tote your saw to your job site. Pros: light and portable. Good for lightweight tasks. Fits into tight spots. Cons: slow compared to corded saws. Number 4. Worx WX429L 4 amp WORXSAW 4.5 electric compact circular saw. If you want a versatile, lightweight circular saw that slices through 2x lumber, metal, plastic, and tile without difficulty, is small enough to be easy to maneuver in tight spots but still powerful enough to handle just about any common DIY project, and is reasonably priced to boot, then it's hard to go wrong with the WORXSAW. This compact, corded tool has a 4.5-inch blade, a 4-amp motor, and a top speed of 3,500 revolutions per minute. It can bevel up to 45 degrees, and thanks to the left-sided blade, you have a clear line of vision while you cut. It only takes one hand to hold this light circular saw. It weighs only 4.4 pounds and has a comfortable grip with the depth control lever conveniently located to make adjustments very easy. It includes a parallel guide to help you make perfectly straight cuts, which can sometimes be tricky with compact saws. It can also make plunge cuts up to 1 11/16 inch deep. While this isn't the tool for very heavy-duty cutting of large materials, it's an excellent choice for general use and DIY projects. Pros: perfect for lightweight projects. Portable and easy to maneuver. Weighs only 4.4 pounds. Cons: not for heavy-duty or big jobs. Number 5. Makita COVALENTS 1P6000J16-1/2 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. If you need the maximum degree of precision possible, the only thing for you to even consider is a rail-guided circular saw. While laser guides are good for making accurate cuts, nothing can compare to the solid guiding line of the rail. The Makita SP6000J1 stands out among circular saws, since it will give you this level of precision without being tied down like a table saw. With a 55-inch guide rail, this saw can also make long and repeated cuts while maintaining the same level of precision. The 6.5-inch plunge blade. This means that unlike most circular saws, which can only begin a cut from the edge of the material, you can plunge the blade into the material from any point, and 12-amp motor are enough to handle most types of common cuts found on residential and commercial projects. If you think you will be cutting different types of material and thicknesses in one setting, the variable speed control dial will also help you match the speed of the blade to the material you're cutting. Pros: bevel adjusts from -1 to 48 degrees. Very accurate. Plunge blade. Cons: expensive.